What? New toys to play with? Cool. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an air leak test on my 7.3 OBS with this cool multi-tool gauge here. I can do an air leak test, and I can also test the pressure of my high pressure oil pump with it. So definitely a very cool 2-in-1 thing here. Very well constructed. It's got an oil filled gauge. I'll put it down, link below if you want to check it out on eBay. This gentleman sells them, and like I said, it's very cool because it's a multi-tool. You don't have to have numerous gauges, just one. But if you want to check it out, check out the link below. Go to his eBay page, and he's got some other cool stuff on there. All right, so what I'm going to do is take this sucker outside and get to it. All right, so here I am underneath my hood. What I'm going to do is tie in right to the ICP. I'm going to pull that ICP, screw in my little adapter here to the actual the head here, and that's where I'm going to connect my gauge to and run my test on. So what I'm going to do right now is grab a wrench, pull this ICP out, screw that in, and I'll continue the video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. My adapter is in where my ICP was. And also, when you're installing the little adapter nipple there, make sure your O-ring is on there. So, of course, you don't hear an air leak coming out. Make sure the little rubber one is on there. This is my hose right here, going out to my gauge, which is hanging over the passenger side fender, which I'm going to hook up the shop air to. Next thing is right here, this little doohickey here. This plugs into your IPR, and the reason why is because you want to make sure it's open so it's running air through your whole system. You just want to have a hook it up to your battery, positive and negative, once you plug it into your IPR down there. So that's what I'm going to do next. So okay, with the valve closed, I introduced shop air. My compressor is on, but the valve is closed here. I'm going to come over here and hook up my power. Okay, and this is the power to the ICP. To the IPR, I'm sorry, to the IPR. Got power there, and now what I'm going to do is just, now that it's open, the IPR, I'm going to introduce air to the system and check for leaks. All right, valve is completely open. I'm going to get under here. Nothing at all, no leaks. You want to listen in for any kind of hissing, any kind of air. I'm going to set the camera down and take a real good listen, and I'll continue the video. Okay, so it's been roughly a little bit over 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. I haven't heard the compressor kick on. I haven't heard any air coming out of anywhere. I checked both sides really close around the valve covers, any kind of hoses, nothing. I haven't heard anything, so that is good. I have no air leaks. What I'm going to do is disconnect everything now. The first thing I'm going to want to do is turn off, close the valve off here. Get that closed off first. Okay. Disconnect the air. All right. Bleed off the air. There we go. That. Disconnect the power from the IPR. That. Basically, just unplug it from your IPR, remove this, put your ICP back on. Oh yeah, I had to put a new plug on. Mine was looking rough. While I was trying to listen for the air, I did put a new plug on. But yeah, that's basically it. That was an air test. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm kind of not wanting to do it because I have a feeling my oil pump is weak on this new 7.3 that I got. But I'll make the video in a day or so doing an actual high pressure oil pump. Read the pressure on it, see what it's putting out, you know, when I'm cranking it over, and then I'll run it and check the pressures on that. Like I said, I'm not looking forward to it because I really don't want to go digging in this motor and replacing this, especially with this damn fuel bowl in the way of everything. But I'll post that video in a day or so. And yeah, but if you're interested in this cool little multi-tool here, multi-gauge, that you can do different things with it, check out the link below. It goes right to the gentleman's page. You know, check him out. He's got some other cool things up on eBay there. You know, he's not a really big corporation, big guy, so show him some love on there. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and we'll get that done. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.